What's up, guys? Mr. Alan C. checking out the Ukeety professional barber clippers. Let's see what's in the box. The box, and these look next level. We have a large one and a smaller one right here. Of course, we have sort of like the little cape or apron that you get put over your chest to prevent the hair from sticking to your shirt. Instruction manual. We got the charger cord, USB to charger. All sorts of tips for our professional barber clippers. And, of course, a barber comb. Nice because you're not confined to a cord. They're rechargeable. You can see a Type-C fast charger port right there. And yeah, I'm going to get these on the charger. I plugged it into my USB port here. Looks like it does come 100% charged, so that's nice. Yes, this one is rechargeable as well, so you're completely wireless when using it. Alright guys, here we go. We're using this trimmer. And my hair's a little poofy right now, but we're going to clean it up nice and show you the final outcome here. Looking better already. Gotta love it. Alright guys, I think my hair came out really nice. And yeah, good experience. Thanks for checking these out with me. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.